Come, let us be friends, you and I, even though the world doth hate at this hour. Let's bask in the sunlight of a love so high that war cannot dim it with all its armed power. Come, let us be friends, you and I. The world hath her surplus of hatred today. She needeth more love. See, she droops with a sigh, where her axis doth slant in the sky far away. Come, let us be friends, you and I, and love each other so deep and so well that the world may grow steady and forward fly, lest she wander towards chaos and drop into hell.